Haro rushte gurustrata Karo rushte nakaschana Tasmat sarva pratyanena Gurumeva prasadayat. If someone makes the Lord unhappy, the spiritual master may give him protection. But if the spiritual master is displeased, there is no one to give him protection. Therefore one should please Sri Gurudev by all endeavors of one's body, mind, and words. So, Vishwanath goes on to explain the qualifications of Guru. One should approach him and submit himself to Sadguru with body, mind, and words. In other words, he quotes Mundaka Upanishad, Tad Vigyanartam Sagurum Eva Bigachet Samitpani Shotriyam Brahmanishtam. In order to obtain direct realization of the Supreme Absolute Reality, which is known in Sanskrit as Bhagavat Tattva, Vastu Vigyan, a knowledge concerning Prema Bhakti, or knowledge about Prema Bhakti, a person must approach a Sadguru who knows the Vedas and he understands the truth of Krishna. Then, taking offerings in one's hands, one should submit oneself to such a Sadguru with body, mind, and words. That's Ashraya, Guru Pada Ashraya. Submit. Take shelter. So Jiva Goswami says that there's two kinds of instructors who disseminate knowledge of Bhagavad Tapta. One is called Saraga, without attachments, and Niraga, with attachments. Instructors who are greedy for wealth and who main desires for sensual enjoyment are known as speakers with material attachments, or Saraga Bhaktas. Interesting point. Talking about two kinds of teachers. Some teachers, they speak well, but they're very much attached to material enjoyment. So the influence of such instructors is not enduring. An instructor who is a topmost devotee of the Lord, Parama Bhagavad Bhakta, he's adept in relishing Bhakti Shastras, or Bhakti Ras, and evoking spiritual emotions in others, Saras, and who is capable of extracting the essence of anything, Saragrahi, is known as a speaker without attachments, or Niraga Vivakta. In examining this Guru Tattva, or the truth about Guru, Jiva Goswami cites three types of Guru: Shravan Guru, Shiksha Guru, and Diksha Guru.